Hello and welcome. Now, in this section, we are going to cover why machine learning is the future, why data is the new oil, and we will look at some of the examples of the machine learning in the real world as well. We will briefly touch base on why learning Azure ML is so important, along with a fascinating case study of Hershey's. We will then move on to cover what is machine learning with an example of how a kid learns and then understanding how the machine learns. Also, many traditional systems use a rule-based algorithm. It will be worthwhile to see how machine learning can help us enhance those systems. We will also cover what we mean by supervised and unsupervised learning. And then, before we start working on any type of model, it is very important to understand what kind of data we are dealing with. Whether it is all numeric or string, whether it is categorical or continuous, what are the dependent and independent variables in the data. Because your decision to choose an algorithm is greatly influenced by the data you are dealing with. We will also do a quick recap of common terms such as probability, mean, median, mode, and range. And I know some of you might be aware of these terms, but I thought of including these for the benefit of larger audience. And finally, I'm going to introduce what are different types of models which are used for solving almost all kinds of machine learning problems. And that would include things like classification, what is regression, correlation, and how clusters are formed, as well as anomaly detection. All right. So let's get started and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.